Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial where we will explain you how you can create board rule automations in Trello. Let's jump into it. This guide will help you set up Trello automations in just a few minutes, making your workflow smoother and more efficient even if you're new to Trello. First, log into your Trello account. It's simple. Just go to the login page and sign in using your credentials or select your Google account for quick access. Once you're in, head over to the Trello board where you'd like to apply the automation rules. Look for the automation button. This is where you'll manage all automation settings. Previously known as Butler, it's now called Trello Automation. Click on it, then go to the Rules section and choose Create Automation. Begin by adding a trigger. Click Add Trigger and choose an event, for example, when a card is moved or a due date is set. Next, click Add Rule and fill in the condition you want to monitor. Click the plus icon to continue. Now it's time to set the action. Choose what Trello should do when the trigger happens, like moving a card or applying a label. Add more actions if needed by clicking the plus icon again.